Now that we've opened the box, let's take a look inside. As you move away some of the packing materials, the first thing you're going to find is the handy user manual. Let's put that aside. Next thing you're going to see is the Libra Pro itself, wrapped in plastic, right, for safe transport. Now, in order to turn this thing on, you are going to need a power cable, and you're going to find that the power cable is included inside the box. As far as connection, to get this thing up and running, you're going to find a USB cable that allows you to plug in your Libra Pro load cell controller to your computer, and a network cable that's going to allow you to connect the Libra Pro controller to the rest of your automation system. So as a recap regarding what you're going to find in the box: handy user manual, power cable, the Libra Pro controller of course, USB cable, and a network cable.